the makings of you. It is true, the makings of you.
Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it. Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it. Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it.
Hey everybody, it's Stacia shooting for issue number 6 of That's Her Magazine, and we have Pastor D here today. Welcome.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm awesome. How are you today?
I'm doing pretty good. It's been a long day, but it's a good day. It's a really good day.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So let us know a little bit about your school that you're having coming up or you're starting to plan for.
We're actually we're currently accepting applications for Boutiques R Us University, and Boutiques R Us University is a accelerated 7-month program in which anyone that's seeking to start a new boutique, whether it's shoe, perfume, children's, whatever it is, you'll be able to enroll in our school and get real lifetime applications on how to start and operate your own business. So your graduation ceremony is the keys to your own business.
And that's good. And you guys work with them as far as every aspect of opening a business, as far as finances and everything, correct?
Exactly. There's 4 months which they would do classroom applications for studying of the books, accounting, designing, merchandising, just understanding the business that they get into. And then the last 3 months is where they actually go through an internship, selecting their property, build out, merchandising, and then once again the ribbon cutting ceremony.
That's really good. I would love to go to a school where I know when I come out of it I'm going to have my own business. So let us know a little bit about your character. Well, I won't say character, but who you portray on the show Sisterhood.
The Sisterhood was a project that came to me through True Entertainment, which also is the marketing company or the filming company for the Housewives of Atlanta. They actually found me. I was delivered to their door, signed, sealed, and delivered. And the person that was on that show was the true essence of me. And although there is some cutting and episodes or stuff that's not really clear, I can honestly say that that was me. It wasn't that much cutting and editing, because they would have saw a nicer side of me, I guess.
And that's good to know. And we're actually in your boutique. So you own your own boutique. So you telling other women how to create their own, and you having your own. Let us know how it is being a woman in business.
Oh, that is such a great question. I mean, it is so important to own and operate your own business, because the founding principle of Proverbs 31 said that she bartered, she dealt with the merchants, she made sure that the women or her servants had their coats and children had their coats. And so with that, owning my own chain of boutiques, as well as my resume, I'm also in organic gold. I diversify my portfolio at every given opportunity, because the more opportunities that you have to earn and learn, as well as build generational wealth, is where you want to be at. And so with that, my primary focus is my boutique chains, the school, Organic Gold, which is a business that I'm now into. I'm becoming the face and developing that and creating. I don't want to say that I'm on the path to creating millionaires, and so it's just my way of paying it back forward. So I'm really excited about the doors that are opening for me, but not only just for me, but for every woman that I come in contact with. So in the famous words of Nene, if you want to get in the game, I'm your girl.
Well, that is great. I really appreciate you taking your time out to interview with us for issue number 6 of That's Her Magazine. And I said that you are a true inspiration to me. I am recently saved and just moving forward with my Christian faith, and an entrepreneur myself. So I look forward to working with you as well, and just what you have to come.
Well, that is so phenomenal, and I am definitely excited with working with you and meeting women like you. In closing, after we cried about it, we ran around the church and tore up my carpet and slapped 7 people and told them that we're coming out. How are you going to come out? You need to have a plan of action. And so the connection with like-minded individuals is always the key. And so I'm excited about the business opportunities that God has strategically placed me in to be able to empower and inspire other women. I inspire, you inspire, but together we empower. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the doors and the wealth that is going to be created once we all come together. And so, go.
I heard it. Thank you so much. It's Seisha, Pastor D, issue number 6. Bye.
It is true, the makings of you.
Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it. Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it. Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it. Your beauty is black, it's so true. That's why I ripped the track for it. It was all about you, it was all about me, it was all about